What is up, YouTube? This is going to be my NQ trading recap from last week, actually. I know it's a bit late, but I was out of town. But it was a great trading week regardless, so I'm going to cover it. And this week's trading recap will be posted this weekend as normal. But this is for last week. So starting on Monday, February 10th, I took, I think it was 2 trades that day. So first, we came into the morning, kind of like up and down super quickly. We took out some liquidity, but I was watching this liquidity down there because I was expecting, okay, we took out the higher liquidity. We might take some below before continuing higher, but I was wrong, obviously. I got an entry off this 2-minute inversion. My first take profit level was these relatively equal lows, which I thought was just a great target, but obviously didn't work out. So just completely ran to my stop loss, took about 25 points of a hit there. And then we were just kind of chopping around 11 a.m. And then I was looking into the PM session to see what we could do, take out all this low resistance liquidity, and we kind of did, and that's what I was going for. So we came into this 15-minute fair value gap, and then we saw a nice reaction off of it. I entered off of a 5-minute inversion, and then got this break-even level, which was also my first take profit. So I got quite a good amount of points there. And then my final target was up here because I wanted to see all of these highs ran here. This was low resistance liquidity, but it didn't end up going the full to full target, but got stop break even on the rest of it. Pretty good trade regardless. So that was Monday last week. Tuesday, I took one trade, and sometimes the market conditions aren't there. They're not presenting your edge. And this was one of those times because I took my one loss, realized that, okay, the market isn't respecting my edge today, so I just walked away. So I'll show you guys what I mean here. So we took out these relatively equal lows, and I was bullish bias, and we got this 5-minute inversion. So we got this 5-minute inversion. I entered there, targeted these highs and this 5-minute unfilled fair value gap. And normally the market tends to refill these at least the fair value gap before completely reversing the other direction, especially after a 5-minute inversion, because those are the highest probability, obviously. And so once we got this inversion on the 5-minute, just kind of chopped around and then disrespected it completely, which gave me that loss. I realized, like, okay, the market just isn't respecting my edge today, so I just walked away from the charts. So that was Tuesday. So I took one loss and walked away because I probably would have lost more if my normal strategy wasn't being respected. So I think it was a news day. I don't recall completely, but moving on to Wednesday, we had this 1-to-1 win. I think that was it. Yeah. So Wednesday, we had taken out, I think there was an SR level here. If I don't recall completely. I should just start leaving everything up on the chart, but then it just becomes a mess. But anyways, we tapped into a key level here after a huge nuke here. And then I was looking for this 5-minute to get refilled, or this 5-minute fair value gap to get filled inside this 15-minute fair value gap. So we got this 2-minute inversion, 3-minute inversion. Entered off of that, targeted these 40 points to the 5-minute. I was gonna target lower. I think there was another 5-minute somewhere down here, but I just ended up getting break even on the rest of it. But overall, really solid trade. Got 1-to-1 there. So that was Wednesday, super quick. One trade and walk away. For most people, that's all you need. So going into Thursday, I had this beautiful trade. We took out this high here, swept it below, got this nice wick to fill the 5-minute fair value gap that was left behind. And then we got a 2-minute inversion, entered off of there, put my break even to the intermediate term high here on the low time frame. And I honestly could have gotten more out of this. And actually there was like here, there was a high somewhere way back here that it took out, I remember. So this high had front ran a high that we had previously. And so that's why I was leaning bullish mainly. Plus, I mean, look at this market structure. We put in a really solid protected low, and then we just came up into New York session, and the draw was obviously just higher, especially after a huge nuke that was back there. But yeah, so I think that was all on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so coming into Friday. Oh, I remember this one. This was probably the best trade of the week. Why do Fridays always give me the best trades? I don't know. You know, for some people it's like really bad, but recently Fridays have been giving me some huge wins. So anyways, let's cover it. So New York Open, just kind of chopped around, like really bad price action at the beginning. And this trade was actually right before 11 a.m. We built up all this low resistance liquidity from 10 a.m. to almost 11. We put in, we took out these relatively equal lows. We put in an SMT with ES. So ES took these lows, but NQ didn't, which told me that NQ is a lot more bullish. And this draw was London highs that was put in overnight. And we had front ran it. We had built up this low resistance liquidity here, as well as highs here, etc. So I was super bullish on this. So I didn't even wait for the 5-minute inversion or the higher time frame inversion. As soon as we got this 1-minute inversion, I entered the trade pretty much, and we ended up getting that 5-minute inversion, which basically confirmed that we were going for that London high. And I could have honestly pyramided the trade and just added to my position, but it was already still pretty good. So it went straight to take profit. It didn't take very long, but that's what closed off my week. It was pretty good. We got like 6 trades in, and a lot of really nice wins. So yep, pretty good week. Hope you guys can see what kind of strategy works for me. Maybe you can implement some of these concepts into your day trading strategy. There's a lot here that you can rewind and see in my other trade recaps as well. But all you're looking for is just some, especially if you're trading prop firms, you just need to be looking for, 40, 50 points a day, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, but with a high win rate, and you're gonna be getting payouts. It's that simple. So yeah, stay consistent. You can look at this strategy deeply. I mean, just rewind these videos and just watch, go back test this yourself as well if you want to. But this strategy has been super profitable for me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. It should be this weekend, so not too long from now. But I'll probably make a video about inversions or liquidity or something new that people can get value out of. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.